Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern curtain designs has undergone a significant transformation in recent years, evolving to meet the demands of contemporary living spaces. These designs not only serve functional purpose but also act as a crucial elements in interior decoration, offering both style and innovation. One of the key characteristics of modern curtain design is simplicity. Clean lines, minimalistic patterns, and a focus on neutral colors are prevalent. This simplicity enhances the scenes of space and lighting in a room, making it feel more open and airy. Additionally, the use of lightweight fabrics like sheer materials allow natural light to filter through, creating a soft, diffuse ambience. Another notable trend in modern curtain design is the emphasis on functionality. Many modern curtains are designed with features that improve convenience and energy efficiency. Motorized curtains, for instance, can be controlled remotely, providing both privacy and shade at the touch of button. Some curtains also incorporate insulating materials to help regulate room temperature, reducing energy consumption. In terms of aesthetics, modern curtains often include bold geometric patterns, asymmetrical design, or textural element. These choices allow homeowners to add personality and visual interest to their interiors while maintaining a contemporary look. Moreover, the use of eco-friendly and sustainability materials is increasingly common, aligning with the growing awareness of environmental responsibility. Furthermore, modern curtain designs integrate seamlessly with various interior styles, whether your decor is minimalist, industrial, Scandinavian, or electrics. There is a modern curtain design that can complement it. The versatility of these designs allow homeowners to personalize their space while keeping up with ever-changing interior design looks. In conclusion, modern curtain designs goes beyond the traditional notion of window coverings. It embodies simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics to enhance the overall look and feel of a space. With its emphasis on versatility and eco-friendliness, modern curtain design offers homeowners the opportunity to create stylish and sustainable interiors that meet the demands of contemporary living. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.